Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off fitness focus mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, touch and hold on focus, then tap on fitness. This will allow you to turn on or turn off fitness. Now if you tap on the option button right next to fitness, it will expand, and in here you can choose to turn on fitness mode for 1 hour until this evening or until you leave a location. If you tap on settings, you'll be able to configure which app or who can send you notifications during this focus mode. You can also customize the screen so that when you are in fitness focus mode, a different home screen will appear, or a different lock screen will appear during the fitness focus mode. And when you turn off your fitness focus mode, it will go back to your default home screen. And that's it. And here you can have it turn on automatically by using schedule. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.